Francisco from BED 2C. In this video, I'll gonna answer the 3 questions, and this includes first in my own words. First, how is an organism genome manipulated? So, genetically modified organisms or GMOs are many organisms whose genetic or any organism whose genetic materials has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. They are used to produce medicines, genetically modified food, and in scientific research. And examples of genetically modified varieties are: number 1, golden rice. The rice variety Arisa sativa has modified with daffodil genes which synthesize more beta carotene, which our body converts to vitamin A. Second, what are the pros and cons of genetically modifying crops? There is some controversy over the benefits and risks of GMO foods. In this article, we discuss the pros and cons of GMO crops, taking into account their potential effects on human health and the environment. Manufacturers use genetic modification to give foods desirable traits. For example, they have designed 2 new varieties of apple that turn less brown when cut or bruised. The reasoning usually involves making crops more resistant to diseases as they grow. Manufacturers also engineer produce to be more nutritious or tolerant of herbicides. Crop protection is the main rationale behind the type of genetic modification. Plants that are more resistant to diseases spread by insects or viruses result in higher yields for farmers and a more attractive product. And lastly, will you eat GMOs? Why? Well, genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are considered safe by an overwhelming majority of scientists. Only about 1/3 of customers share that view. A team of psychologists and biologists set out to discover if customers' attitudes would change if the public understood the underlying science better. And lastly, will you eat GMOs? Why? Well, genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are considered safe by an overwhelming majority of scientists. Only about 1/3 of customers share that view. A team of psychologists and biologists set out to discover if customers' attitudes will change if the public understood the underlying science better.